How's it going on everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are having an amazing product from Dreo, but before moving further in this video, do like, share and subscribe. This is Dreo Tower Fan which is capable of performing some amazing features, so let's find it out. So now let's unbox this. Here we get the tower fan with its two base plates which are detachable, and inside the box we also get the manual as well as the remote control to control the tower fan via remotely. Now talking about the design, it has the Dreo branding on the air outlet panel on the bottom side. Also the power cord which is attached to it is almost around 4 feet in length. Here on the top of the tower fan we have a large LED display panel which gives you the power to control the modes, the fan speed, the power option as well as the timer and the oscillation. At the back here we have the air inlet panel coming with the remote holder. They have also given us a carry handle to carry this tower fan along with you and place it anywhere where you want. Now talking about the wind speed, it can blow air at the speed of 24 feet per second. We have also tested it by keeping the subject at different places to see the power of the wind it blows. And we are pretty satisfied with the results we get. So the installation is pretty simple. Just grab the two base plates in the cross position, insert the pegs in the slots of the another one and press on the edges and it will get attached. Now pull out the wire from the center hole and fix the base plate on the bottom of the fan by matching the arrows on the other side. Rotate the base on the clockwise direction and the base plate will get attached properly. After that, put the wire in the wire slots available on the base plates. And now the tower fan is ready to be placed at any corner of your home. Apart from this, it has 4 different speed settings coming with 4 different modes. The sleep mode where the fan speed will be decreased every 30 minutes and it will be at the level 1 when you will be at your deepest sleep. The auto mode where this fan speed will adapt to the ambient temperature. The normal mode where the fan speed will run at the constant speed, and the natural mode where the fan speed will run at an alternating speed. About the noise, it is very less noisy. It makes around 30 to 35 decibels of noise while operating even at the maximum level. It has also the oscillation feature so that it is not only directed to a single direction but it can spread the air in every corner of your home. Controlling this tower fan via remotely is very easy. We get all the features on the remote: the power option, the fan increase and decrease speed, mode selection, the mute button, the oscillating feature as well as the sleep timer mode. So this was all about the Dreo fan. I hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe this channel, and also don't forget to give your reviews in the comments down below. This is Enoylity Technology and I will catch you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.